Hi there, I'm Steve Hunt. I'm a certified public accountant, and I'm the owner of College Tax Refunds, where we help recent college students and their parents claim thousands of dollars they don't even know that they missed on their old tax returns. And I have been doing a video series about the 15 critical, common, costly mistakes made by recent college students and other young adults and their parents at tax time. I'm trying to help you become aware of these mistakes so you don't make them. And if you've already made them on your old taxes, I want to help you understand how to amend or fix your old taxes to claim the money that you missed. It could be thousands of dollars. In fact, the average amount missed is $1,300. So today I'm talking about mistake number 12, forgetting to claim your new baby, especially if they were born in the fall, as a dependent. This is a common, costly, critical mistake, and it's not as funny as some of the other ones where I've encouraged you maybe to go have a baby in order to save money on your taxes or to make sure that your baby is born not in January. This one, I'm saying simply, if you had a baby, don't forget to claim baby on your taxes. Here's the thing. If your baby was born, you want to make sure that it is your child tax credit dependent. I apologize, my picture is covering up the word dependent on this one. The earned income tax credit helps low-income parents, and the additional child tax credit goes to almost all parents. And you want to make sure that you're getting that money because on average, the IRS pays parents $3,000 per child per year up to your first 3 children. So you want to make sure that you're getting that $3,000 every year. That'll save you a bunch of money on taxes, and it means that you can earn an additional $20,000 per child per year and not pay any taxes to the government. Basically, if you've got 3 kids, you can earn like $60,000 more than some other couple that doesn't have any kids, and you won't owe anything to the government. So you want to be sure that you're claiming all of your children on your taxes because it's a huge benefit. Even if your baby is born on the last day of the year, December 31st, you can still claim her as if you had her all year long. You can claim her as your dependent. The only requirement is that your newborn lived with you, so in your financial and physical care. At the hospital, for example, is fine. That's still in your care for most of her life so far. So, of course, if your child could be the dependent of say, her grandparents or of some other aunt or uncle or whatever, if you gave your child up for adoption or something like that, you can't claim your child in those circumstances. But if this child is yours, you had her on the last day of the year and she's your child, then you can claim her as your dependent for all year long. So here's the thing, and this is why this is a common, costly, and critical mistake that young adults like you miss, is that TurboTax and some other software might ask you whether your child, your baby, lived with you for 12 months. And some of you say, no, she was born on December 31st, or no, she was born on October 12th, or whatever. And so you end up saying no to that question. But the correct answer is yes. If you're asked whether the child lived with you for 12 months of the year, say yes, as long as she was actually your physical, financial dependent for her whole life. So that way you claim that money. Now, what do you do if you messed up? You already had a baby in the fall, maybe last year or the year before that, and you didn't answer that question correctly on TurboTax, and so you didn't get the $3,000. Well, the good news is, as long as you do it quickly, you can fix your old taxes. You can amend them and get that money back that you missed. Now, how do you know if you missed the money? How do you know if it's going to be worth amending? So I created collegetaxrefunds.com. That's my business where we help these students like you get money back on old taxes that you may not even realize you missed. I did this because I was teaching tax at university and I was realizing that my students were failing to claim some of the credits that they were entitled to. And I wanted to make a place where they could enter a few numbers from their old taxes and very quickly, instantly in fact, find out exactly how much money they missed on their old tax returns. So if you go to collegetaxrefunds.com and you go to the free quote calculator by clicking that button below that says get free quote, you will enter in just a few dollar amounts from off of your old tax returns, and you will instantly find out how much money you missed. And you don't have to provide any self-identifying information if you don't want to, if you're nervous about that kind of thing. You don't have to give your social security number or credit card number or even your phone number or your email address. None of that. if you don't want to, and you can instantly, risk-free, immediately, just totally free, find out how much money you missed on your old taxes. Then, if you want to, you can dig around and find out more information about how to prepare an amended tax return and claim that money you missed. You may have to squabble with or fight with the IRS a little bit because they're going to wonder why you didn't do it right the first time. Or you can hire my team at collegetaxrefunds.com, and we will prepare your amended tax return for you. We have a great relationship with the IRS. We focus solely on helping college students and recent college students and young adults amend their old taxes. So we've done this thousands of times, and we know exactly how to do it right. We guarantee our work. You don't have to pay us anything until after you get your extra check from the IRS. And if you don't get an extra check from the IRS, you never have to pay anything. So there's nothing to lose here. Go to collegetaxrefunds.com, try the free calculator, make sure you got all the money that you were entitled to over the last couple of years, and if you didn't, then we'll help you get it. I look forward to helping you get that money. I invite you now to subscribe to this YouTube channel, College Tax Refunds, and click the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever we make more videos like this or any other videos to help you level up your financial life so that you can, make more money. That's really what I want to do for my college students. I just love college-age students, and I want to help you get ahead financially, retire early if possible, pay off your home mortgages, and create streams of income, passive streams of income. So those are what some of my other videos are like and about. So please click the notification button so you can get notified when I make those videos. And also like this video, please, and share it with your friends, especially those who were recent college students or who may have forgotten to claim their child on their old taxes because maybe they're brand new parents. Or anybody you know who has a recent college student in their family or a newborn baby in their family. Let them know to check out this video. Make sure they got the money on their old taxes. You don't want them to miss that money. So thanks so much for sharing, and thanks for letting me help you get money back on your old taxes. Have a great day.